everyone, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Happy Wednesday, everyone! I haven't been vlogging clearly this past 2 days in my weekly vlog, so I thought I would pick up the camera because I got ready, curled my hair, did my makeup, and I just filmed a video. I filmed my April favorites, which will be going out before this video, so I filmed that, and I am here by my newly decorated thing that I did last week, and I really like it. So I was going to try out filming here, but the lighting, as you can see, isn't the greatest, so I filmed on my bed like I always do. So yeah, I thought I would pick up the camera. I'm wearing this cute top, and then I'm wearing pajama pants as always. I don't know what I'm up to today. I just filmed the video and now I'm going to go edit it, but I kind of want to get some food delivered because I haven't gotten food delivered, and it's getting really late. It's like 8 o'clock by the time I finish like setting everything up, but I am done now. So yeah, I am just going to put the camera down and then I'll talk to you whatever I do next. We got El Pollo Loco delivered for dinner. Yay, we got it through Postmates because it's free delivery. So yay, let's open it up. How do you open it? We got all of my mom's salsa. Oh, and then we have some plates, which is good. Yay, I don't have to do the dishes. And then we have tortillas and gravy. If I can get it out. I got some chips with mine because I got a side burrito that has like cheese and chicken and beans. And then, let's see, we got some tortillas. Then this is what I got. I got a double chicken bowl. So that looks yummy. Then this is the chicken, the rice, and the mashed potatoes. Here's mine. That's what it looks like. That is the burrito. Got my chips. And then I also got some fruit punch, dinner, and show. Hello, it's a little while later now. Had dinner, watched a little bit of TV, but I'm back in my room. I'm at my desk. So I have my dad's laptop that I'm borrowing. You know that I have been using his. I have my iPad. I'm gonna watch some TV. Have my phone here, some snacks. I'm gonna put my hair up in a messy top knot here shortly. And then this is my phone stand. I have a pink one, but my dad likes it better, so he gave me this one. And so I'm just gonna get rid of this one and get me a pink one again and a metal one. So yeah, it is midnight as you can see. So I'm just going to edit a little bit on here and then probably call it a night. But I want to import the footage that I shot today. I need to take my makeup off and put my hair up. I like putting it in my messy top knot. And I did my nails yesterday, so they're nice and pretty again. They came off a day after my birthday. I guess I didn't do a good job. Sometimes it's like that. They'll last me a month and a half, and then some days they'll last me a day or two. So I'm gonna stop babbling. I have to import the footage off of this memory card, and I guess I'll catch you up later. So I'm done with my shower. I got done with my work, but I'm still sitting at my desk. I thought that I would share a part of my skincare routine and try out a new product with you. So I just got done washing my face and doing all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to do a blog post about what products that I've been using, but I thought I would do like the skincare stuff here at the end. So I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, and then I bought this and I gave it to myself for my birthday. So we're going to try the e.l.f. lip exfoliator together. But first I'm going to put on my moisturizer. So I usually do 2 pumps of this, and that usually covers my whole face. And I just lightly put it on. I've been loving this. I've just featured this moisturizer in my April favorite, so I talk more about it there. I just massage it into my face and then I just let it dry. So now that that is all good, I'm going to open this up. Here it is. Oh, it looks like a proper lipstick. That's fancy. I think this was only $4. Oh, and it looks just like a lipstick. That's fun. So my lips are always chapped and dry, so hopefully this will help. I got the brown sugar thing. I don't have a mirror anywhere here, so just wish me luck. Oh, it smells good. Let's see. Put that in here. It's not as like sugary as I expected it to be. It's not really exfoliating my lips. I don't feel any of the sugar exfoliating it. It just feels like a lip balm. I guess I'll just try it the next few days. That was just like the first time I tried it, but I'm gonna use it every time my lips are chapped. So I'll let you know in a favorites video as well if I like it or not. And then if not, I'll just let you know in a future weekly vlog. And I think that is it. So good night. See you again whenever I pick up this camera. Happy Thursday, everyone. I'm going to be doing the laundry, which is boring. Probably not going to film that. Then I'm going to take some pictures for my blog and the thumbnail for Friday's video, and then edit Friday's video. I always have a busy Thursday because I always do my editing and get everything done. But first, I'm going to go out and grab some brunch. Probably going to make something interesting because I'm out of bagels. So here's my brunch. I made some tater tots with ketchup, and then I bought these like frozen croissant things. So it comes with a sausage patty, but I take that out and put veggie sausage, so it has cheese, egg. Hello, I am back. I had to take my hair down because I needed the scrunchie for the picture that I'm about to take. So I take like my flat lay pictures on my bed. So I moved my comforter out of the way because it's hot pink and it doesn't edit really well in my pictures. So I use my bed sheet because it's such a pretty pattern and I love it so much. So I use my phone to take pictures. So yeah, I have my phone here, and then we have the flat lay that I want to do. So this is for my April favorites, so all the products that I was loving. I'm gonna take these pictures now. Now that I got my pictures, I just select which one I like out of all of them, and then I import it into Lightroom and apply my preset, and then I'll go over to my laptop and then make my thumbnail, which I'll show later. So that is how it looks like on Lightroom. So before and after, I just add a pink tint and make it a little brighter. So yeah, that is what I do with my pictures on Lightroom. I just give it a little subtle change when it comes to like these kind. I'm not very good at flat lay pictures. I never have been. I just do whatever looks best in the picture. That is what everything looks like and how I do it. So before, after. So I'm at my desk now. I'm doing my thumbnail. So if you hear the washing machine and dryer, it's right against this wall, so it gets a little bit loud. I don't know if you can hear that. So this is what I usually do. I make it on a collage thing. Where is my collage thing? I make it first on the collage maker, and then after that I go, and my screen went blank just as I show it to you. Okay, now it's back. So then I just take the pictures that I want to use, and then I just grab it from my March favorites. Since this is my April favorites, I already have like a template set up. So I'm just gonna grab the graphics off of here and then attach them to there, and that is what I do with it. I just have like different Photoshop templates that I already made, and then I just copy and paste them onto the new thumbnail. Yeah, thought I would share that with you if you wanted to know how I did my thumbnails. I just Photoshopped them. So I finished my thumbnail, but I had to do some more laundry, so I did my bedding. So all my bed sheet are in the washing machine, and then I'm gonna put it in the dryer, and I'll have fresh bedding when I sleep tonight. I'm sitting here, I have my thing ready to go. I'm going to edit it, and that is my evening. Hi everyone, happy Saturday. So I am going to head out and buy some groceries today. I kind of did my hair. It's a little bit poofy today because it's getting hotter and the humidity is going up, so it's getting more poofy. I guess I'm gonna go and I'll see you later. Hello, I'm back home now. We cooked some dinner so I can go show it to you now. We made some lasagna. It looks a little burnt, but I don't think it's burnt. And then we bought some pepperoni pizza. This looks better. They like the cheese stuffed crust one. And I also made garlic bread in there, but I'll show it to you later. Here's how my dinner turned out, and I got some fruit punch to match. Hi everyone, good morning, happy Sunday. So I woke up about 30 minutes ago And my dad made some breakfast. I'm gonna have brunch. Thought I would vlog some breakfast. I know I'm gonna have some orange juice, and I think my dad is making eggs. So yeah, I thought I would share that with you. And let's just start the day, shall we? Even though I'm a little tired still. So this is breakfast. I have orange juice. It's not cold, so I put ice in it. I have an English muffin instead of a bagel for once. Homemade hash browns, my vegetarian sausage, and some eggs. So that's brunch. Hello, so I had brunch. It's been a few hours, but I forgot that I didn't share with you what I bought yesterday. So first up, I got a pink phone stand. I have this blue one that I said that I wanted to get rid of. So they had a pink one. I decided to try this out. And then I got some Mother's Day gifts because Mother's Day is next Sunday. So I got a mug. And then I got her a wallet. I also got her some balloons, which is hiding in my closet right here. And I don't know if I'm gonna head out again. So I thought I would buy her Mother's Day gifts this Sunday so I don't forget. This vlog is gonna go up on Tuesday. So if you don't have any Mother's Day gifts, here's your reminder to go out and do something or get something. Last two things I got at the 99-cent store. I saw these two things when I was checking out. So I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna pick it up. I got a face mask to treat myself. I don't know when I'm going to use it, but yeah, I got this. And I got this hair mascara. So you know these baby hairs that stick up? I thought I would try this and then like slick it back. Mine might be too long, but who knows? I'm gonna try this out. I mean, it's 99 cents. Who cares if it doesn't work? But yeah, I got those two things, and that is all I got yesterday from there. Lastly, I went to Best Buy and I picked up this Sunpack portable vlogging kit. So Best Buy is technically not open. You just go up to them, show them your phone of what you want, and then they'll get it inside and you buy it right there outside. I wanted to go and look at the different like options they had, and I wanted to see and compare them, but you're not allowed in store. So I just decided on the 6-inch since I have a very big one. I think I have an 18-inch ring light, I believe, from the Philippines that I got, that I brought over here. It doesn't have its stand. I've explained it before. It doesn't have its stand tripod thing. And yeah, I know I can just go buy one, but I paid good money for mine and it's really good quality. So I'm just going to wait until I go back to the Philippines to bring it over here. Besides that, I wanted a portable ring light so I could put here in my desk so I don't have to turn that one on, and I can just set it up to film videos. I'm gonna unbox it for you. I struggled to get that out of the box. And then this is what it looks like. I also took about 15 minutes to learn how this adapter works. I kept on putting the light right here onto the stand, and I'm like, it doesn't want to go on. You have to put the phone holder onto there. Once you figure it out, it's really easy. I guess I'm just slow today and didn't understand that you have to put this on first to screw them together. So it's a pretty nice stand. Like, it's really sturdy quality and stuff. So it would look perfectly here on my desk. Like so. I haven't turned it on yet. It's a USB kind of port. The outlets here are very weird and not really good. I don't even have like a 3-prong socket in this room. I have to use adapters. So to plug in my laptop into the wall, I have to have this adapter on it. So that's how old this house is. I had to go look for my iPhone cube thing because I have a wireless charger and I don't use like my plug-in charger anymore. So I hid it in a drawer, but I found it. So here we go. We can plug it in. I can never plug it in on one go, but yeah, that is what it looks like. I managed to plug it in here. So it has a remote control down here. So see, it lights up to indicate that it's plugged in, which is nice. And then you push, I think, the bottom button and it turns on. I mean, you can't really see it now, but it's very, very bright, it looks like. And then what's this do? Oh, it changed like the color tones. Oh, that's cool. Okay, and then can you turn it down? You can. Okay, that's the lightest it goes, which is pretty bright. And then how much brightness can it go? Okay, that's all the brightness it goes. That's so cool. I can't wait to use that some more, but it looks pretty decent, so I'm gonna try it out and stuff. I'm going to turn it off and then put my phone in because I haven't put my phone in. So here's my phone. I have the iPhone 11, just the 11, it's not the Pro. So, okay, how do you do this? Oh, it extends up. Okay, let's scoot it in the middle. I guess that's what it looks like. So I have the light on right here. Let's adjust it a little bit. I think it's on like the half tone setting, so half white, half yellow. So let's just turn it down a little bit. Oh, that is really cool. I can't wait to do like my sit down video for Friday and like test this out and like get the lighting right and stuff. But it looks pretty good so far. That is like my little first impression review of it. Like, it's not really professional, but yeah, that's just my thoughts on it being like a blogger slash YouTuber. Here is the lighting when it's off. I just wanted to show you that, but I am going to go import the footage for this week's weekly vlog, start editing that, and then we're going to have some barbecue for dinner, so I'll show you that later. We're cooking corn on the barbecue grill, and since I don't eat steaks, Daddy and everyone's gonna have steak, I'm gonna have corn and make a veggie burger on it. Yay, does this mean summer's officially started because we started barbecuing? I mean, you can barbecue year round, but I feel like barbecuing's a summer thing. So is it hot?
Yeah, it's starting to get warm.
The lighting's terrible out here. We put the light outside, and it has a stand, and it extended. I forgot to show that. It has a like stand. The lighting looks very good.
Yeah, it works great.
I know. Apparently it's a barbecue grill light, and we're gonna use it as a lamp, not an actual photography thing. So here's my burger and then the fries. I'm gonna put some on my plate. It doesn't look too good because I broke it on the barbecue grill, but yeah, that's dinner. Hello, it's the end of the night. I had a pretty productive week, I feel like. I showed you what I did this week, as well as like a little bit of my work routine, I guess. Since I got my new desk, I've been so productive. I'm gonna wrap up in my covers because it's cold tonight. Last week I was complaining that I was super hot. Now I'm back to being cold. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed weekly vlog number 14. I enjoyed filming it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye everyone.